Hey, what's up? I'm Ezra, and today we're going to be installing the Nextbase IQ, the ultimate protection for your vehicle. Let's jump right in, and I'll show you how easy it is to get started. Inside the box, you'll find the main IQ camera, a black power cable for most users, and a red hardwire cable if you prefer to keep your OBD port open and a permanent installation. There's also a handy fitting tool to help you hide the cables during your install. This dash cam includes both a forward-facing camera and a cabin-facing camera, covering all angles inside and out. And there's an optional rear-facing camera, which we'll get to later. First up, scan the QR code on the box to access the Nextbase IQ app, which can be found on any app store. Once downloaded, the app provides detailed instructions for the whole setup process, allowing you to live view, receive notifications, and much more. Now let's connect your device to the car's power using the OBD connector and connect the other end of the cable to the IQ. In most cars, the OBD connector can usually be found under the dashboard, right by the driver's left knee. If you're having trouble finding it, consult your car's manual or contact Nextbase customer support. Once connected, your IQ light will turn on. If it doesn't, start your engine and ensure the device is receiving power. Next, let's prepare to mount your IQ. Using the live view feature in the app, find the best place to mount your camera. We recommend installing it behind your rear view mirror or as high as possible near the passenger side to ensure the cabin camera has a clear view without obstructing the driver's line of sight. Adjust the side antennas to tailor to your car's design. They can pivot up or towards the dashboard. Do not rotate them. Just pull them out to the side to unclip and push them back into the desired position. Once you know where your IQ will be fitted, clean your windshield with the included cleaning kit. Remove the red backing from the sticker and attach the device to your windshield. Press firmly for around 5 to 10 seconds to ensure a secure fit. With the IQ securely mounted, we can start tucking away the cables. Find a good pathway between the headboard and the trim. It's required that no cables cross an airbag. Now, if you're installing the IQ's rear window camera, don't worry, it's straightforward. Place it on the rear window, just like the front camera. Now route the cable along the roof using the fitting tool and connect it to the front IQ unit. Ensure the camera's view is clear and unobstructed. To plug the rear camera cable into the IQ, simply slide the IQ up from the base plate to remove it and access the port. Then slide it back in to secure it. Your IQ comes with an SD card, so you can store all your videos, easily upload to the cloud, or transfer your videos to another device. To remove or replace the SD card, simply flip back the cover on the side of the unit and press the SD card to remove it. And that's it! Your Nextbase IQ is set up with both cameras, ready to capture every step of your journey. And don't forget to tag us when posting your moments on social media. Enjoy the drive and the peace of mind that your Nextbase IQ brings.